Good morning, children. So, today we are going to discuss class 9 mathematics, chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Okay, before starting or moving to the exercise, let me discuss few things. Okay, I think we have already learned those things, but we'll revise it. This is chapter 3. Please observe all this explanation properly. Okay, we will see chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Now, what we are talking about coordinates. When you talk about coordinates, we are talking about two things. That is, I'm taking the rough, okay? This coordinates. This is x-axis, x does, and y does. And this part we call O, this is the origin part. Okay? These are x-axis, this is y-axis. And this whole part systems we call to be coordinates. It's x coordinate and y coordinate. Now let me see. This is also this. For example, if I'm taking this whole particular plane, we call it to be a Cartesian plane. Okay, Cartesian plane. I think everyone knows this till here. Now I need to mark those points. Let's say 1, 2, 3. We know x. This particular right hand side we have the positive numbers for x-axis, and this on the left hand side we have negative numbers. Similarly, on the top we have positive numbers for y-axis, and on the below we have negative number for y-axis. Everyone knows this. Okay, now if I need to plot a point, let's say someone asks you x equal to 1, y equal to 1. If someone asks you, show me the point where x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 in Cartesian plane or in graph. X equal to 1 is this, y equal to 1 is this. That means this particular point should be somewhere here. That is 1, 1. We write this. That means when we write 1, 1 bracket, that means this is x value and this is y value. And I can name this point as, let's say I'm putting it A. That means this particular point A is 1, 1, where first written part, this is x value and this is y value. This is called coordinates. Now, if someone asks coordinates of A, that means 1, 1. I hope you have understood the basic concept about Cartesian plane. Now, let me take, to some of the most important parts here. Let us discuss exercise 1.1, question number 1. How will you describe the position of a table? How will you describe the positions of a table lamp on your study table to another person? Okay, position of a study table to another person, we need to explain it. Okay, now let me tell you. If you observe this, let me take, this is a table. Okay, table lamp is somewhere here. I am pointing this somewhere here. Table lamp. This is table lamp. Now, let me say this is 4 centimeter from this particular side, 4 centimeter, and from the top, this is this down part. This is 8 centimeter. I'm just taking it. Now, if someone asks what is the location here, that means I can say this is x. If I'm considering two axis, this will be x-axis and this part will be y-axis. Then I will say that 4, 8 is the coordinates or the location of my study table. That means 4, 8 is the coordinates for my study table. That's what the location. Exercise 3.1. This is exercise 3.1, question number 1. Is it clear? Next, we will move to question number 2. Street plan. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. The two roads are along the north-south directions and east-west direction. Firstly, we will go step by step. Two roads. Let me take draw the roads. One road is this, other road is this. We know the direction is west, north, south. Two roads, they are both crossing each other. Let's say this is the origin point O. The two roads are along the north-south directions, one road, and one is the east-west direction. We already got those particular diagram. All the other streets run parallel to roads about 200 meter apart. There are 5 streets in each directions with 1 centimeter equal to 200 meter. Draw a model of the city in your notebook. Represent the road streets by single lines. There are many crossroads in your model. A particular crossroad is made to be 2 streets. Okay. Now, they were asking us the location is 4, 3. How many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4? 3, 4 and 4, 3. Let me tell you. Firstly, parallel lines, other streets are to be written in parallel lines, yes or no? I will take the first parallel lines like this. This is north-south direction, one road, one street, street number 2, street number 3, street number 4, street number 5. This is north-south direction parallel line, parallel streets. Next, we have 5 on the east-west, 1, street number 2, street number 3, street number 4. We got it. Okay. Now, Roman number 1. Roman number 1, what it says? We need to find 4, 3 and 3, 4. Let me take 3, 4. This is 3. Yes or no? 3 for parallel lines and 4 for parallel lines of the east-west directions. That means I could see 3, 4 is somewhere here. 3, 4. Okay, one more street is there. This is 5 street, no? Okay, and this is 5. 3, 4 is somewhere there. Why? Because this is 3 and this is 4. And we have 4, 3. This is 4 and this is 3. This means this is 4, 3. I hope you have understood these two particular locations we are discussing. Okay, this is question number 2. Exercise 3.1. Now we will discuss exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. These are the most easy part that we are discussing here. Let me tell you. We have already discussed it here. Okay, I will take exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.2, question number 1. Question number 1 says, write the answer of each of the following question. Number 1, what is the name of the horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the positions of any plane in the Cartesian plane? Horizontal and vertical lines? These are actually verticals and horizontal and vertical lines. Yes or no? What are these are called? These are called x-axis and y-axis. As I said before, x-axis and y-axis. Question number 2, Roman number 2. Write the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines. Each part, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? This part are called quadrant. Okay, these are called quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. We'll move from this side. Okay, first, second. This is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. We call it to be quadrant. Number 3, write the name of the point where the two lines intersect. The two lines intersect at O, and this point is called origin point, and the value is 0, 0, because here, stop it here. This is called origin, whose value is 0, 0. This is the coordinate points. This is 3.2, question number 1. Now let us move to question number 2. See the figure 3.14 and write the following. The coordinates of B. One figure is there. We need to write all the locations. Coordinates of B. Okay, let me take coordinates like this. Okay, what I said, we will write the x value first. What is the x value here? -5. This is -5. And then we will write the y value on that part, that is 2. I hope you have understood. Next, Roman number 2. Coordinates of C. Where is C? Coordinates of C. Firstly, I will write x value. X value is 5. Secondly, I will y value is -5. Easy concept. Roman number 3. The point identified by the coordinates -3 and -5. X equal to -3, y equal to -5. This is -3, -3, and this is -5. That means -3, -5. Now the answer will be E. E point -3, -5. Question number Roman number 4. The point identified by the coordinates 2, -4. X equal to 2. Then this is -4. This is Z. 2, -4. This is answer will be Z value. I hope you have got through this. Others you can easily find out, okay, based on this particular situation. Firstly, we remember we will put the x value on the first, then the y value on the subsequent part. Clear? We will move to exercise 3.3. In which of the quadrant or on which axis do each of the following coordinate pairs lie? Verify the answer by locating them on Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means x-axis and y-axis. This you should do in graph notebook, okay? I have already plotted this. I have drawn the graph. Okay, I will show you. Okay, listen carefully. This is how the graph is. First, I have drawn x-axis, y-axis. This is positive values. On the top for y-axis is positive. This is negative. This is negative. In graph, we generally write. For example, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small square equal to 1 unit. So I am writing here 5 small square equal to 1 unit. Clear? As I said before, this is called first quadrant. This is called second quadrant. This is third, and this is fourth quadrant. I hope you have understood this till here. Now, question number 1 says -2, 4. This is -2, and for y value is how much? 4. X value is -2, y value is 4. I could see this is the point. -2, 4. Now, they were asking us to find which quadrant it is. I could say this is second quadrant. I will write it here. Second quadrant. So simple. Okay, I will write it here. Second quadrant. Now, question number 2, or point number 2, 3, -1. X value 3, where it is? X value 3 and -1. Minus will be somewhere down here. It is 3, -1. This is the point. And this is in how much? Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. This is in fourth quadrant. You can write 4 also, okay? Like this also. Fourth quadrant. I am writing in Roman number. That's fine. Next value, -1, 0. -1, 0. That means there is no y value. That means this lies on -1, 0. This lies on x-axis only. Okay, this is no y-axis value. 1, 2. X equal to 1, y equal to 2. 1, 2. I could say this is in first quadrant. First quadrant. -3, -5. -3, -5. This is because this is -3 and this is -5. I will put it here. -3, -5. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. That's what the question number 1 answer is. Okay, we have got all the coordinate points and the quadrant as well. Next, we will move to question number exercise 3.3, question number 2. Plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. One table is given. Okay, this is what the table is given. I have taken named this coordinate name as A, B, C, D, E. Easy for us to understand. A, x value is -2 and y value is 8. B, x value is -1 and 7. Like this we have written all those points. Now, same thing, x-axis, y-axis is drawn. I have taken 5 small square equal to 1 unit. I need to plot this point. The first point will be -2, 8. X value is -2, y value is 8. X value -2. -2 is this. 8 is, I will move down, top. This is 8. This is -2, 8. I will write this as A. Simple. B -1, 7. B value -1. -1 is this. Then I will move to 7. -1 is 7. I could say this is positive 7. B value -1, 7. Next is 0, 1, -1.25. X value is 0, 1.25. 1.25 somewhere here. Because I have taken 5 small square, this is just, you can put in a rough way as well. This is point number C, -1, 0.25. Okay? Slightly difference is no issue at all. 1, 3. D value, D is 1, 3. 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 3. D value 1, 3. And E value 3 minus 1. 3, 1 positive 3. X value is 3 minus 1. Minus 1 is downward. This is E value 3 minus 1. That's how we have plotted all the points in the Cartesian plane. I hope you have understood this particular concept. You need to do in graph paper so that you can exactly get the location. Thank you very much. We have completed the chapter number 3. Any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.